Good morning, everyone. My name is Rosan G. Martizano, 22 years old, from BSA Black. So, I explain what is sexual aspect of the self. For me, the sexual aspect of the self is one of the most intimate and dynamic part of two. We are it's so much more than just physical. It's tied to identify our emotional, understand and how we connect with others. I think what makes it so powerful is that deeply personal and relational at the same time. It's about understanding what feels good to you, what we're comfortable with kind of connection you cannot share it any. It's also about honoring that this part of you can change over time. What feel right in 20s might be not feel right in your 40s. That's okay, totally okay. What I feel really important is that I rotate and respect yourself, your boundaries, and for the people with. It's not about meeting something external standard of normal. It's about being true to your own needs and feelings. Being true to your own needs, feelings like making sure everyone involved or consenting the values. And honestly, I think embracing this part of yourself with kindness and curiosity can make you feel more whole and confident in all area of life. I explain about materials aspect of the self. For me, material aspect of the self, it's like a physical minor. who who we are, it's not just about owning things but about how to stuffing we surround ourselves with conflict our identity, support our daily life and even hold our memories. I think it's easy to dismiss material things to superficial, but they do matter and small, meaningfully ways. That jacket that makes you feel confident when you wear it, the mug of the friends gave you that make our morning coffee feel special, and home you decorate to me like a safe space. These things aren't the point of life, but they're a little decorate and life of space. That things anchored of tides as a feeling, a relationship, and our sending my life or myself.